Hey guys, what is going on? This is Wycliffe from TechHood254, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make $1,000 working online in Kenya. Now, this channel we talk about tech, digital entrepreneurship and innovation, and our focus is helping Kenyans learn how to make an income online. So if that type of stuff floats your boat, go ahead and subscribe for more videos such as this one. Now let's get right to what I wanted to share with you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a step-by-step process using 3 steps that you need to help you make this $1,000. Now, one of our subscribers sent us a message to, wanting to know a little bit about affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, I'm just going to give a short definition of it. So affiliate marketing is where you get a product or a service from a certain company and you market the product on their behalf and they pay you a commission. Now, how it works is that they usually give you a link that you will share on different platforms, most likely on social media platforms and things like that. And after sharing this link, if people purchase the product or service using your unique link, then you get paid a commission. Now, how are we going to be making this $1,000? The first step that you are going to need to do is create a YouTube channel. For those of you who don't have a YouTube channel and you're watching me on your phone, it's really easy. All you need to do is click at the top where it says your name, and then click where it says your channel and click on create channel. Now you can use any name you want for your channel. It doesn't really matter. Some people decide to use their own names. Now, after creating your YouTube channel, this is where you need to pay attention for the next step. You're going to need to sign up for a website known as Strikingly. Now, this is a website builder that we use to create websites. Now, before you get freaked out and start thinking that, I don't know how to build websites and I don't know anything about websites, don't worry about that, because Strikingly is a website builder that allows you to create websites from scratch without having to know anything about web design. You don't need to know anything about web design. You could do this as a complete newbie, and they even have videos on their website that show you how to do this. Now, how are you going to be using Strikingly to make this money? Well, Strikingly has an affiliate program. But before I get into all of that, right now, people in Kenya are looking for methods that they can use to make money online because people have lost their jobs. People are looking for techniques that they can use to make money because people are out of work, and so they need to make ends meet. Now, a lot of times when people are looking for methods to make money online, most methods that require you to make money online need you also to have a website. So Strikingly is the perfect website builder that you can use and that you can recommend others to use. So Strikingly allows you to earn up to $100 for every single customer that you refer to them. So this is a really huge amount. This is a huge chunk of money that you can make off of this opportunity. So what you're going to do, this is the second step. You're going to need to sign up for Strikingly, and you're going to need to sign up for their affiliate program. Now, the third step that you're going to need to do is to promote this on YouTube. Now, I know that you might be feeling as though, where am I going to get everybody to sign up for this? Like I've told you, people are looking for methods to make money online in Kenya, and that's probably one of the reasons you're watching this video right now. And chances are you don't have your own website. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a YouTube video. And the best thing about YouTube, why we are recommending YouTube, is that you don't have to have thousands of subscribers to have people watching your views. An example is that we created this particular video that is currently ranking #1 on YouTube search engine for how to make money online in Kenya using print on demand. Now, this video at the time of this particular recording has already gotten up to 7,400 views. Now, I want you to think about that. Just assume that you have created a video that gets up to 10,000 views, and the number of views you have isn't related to the number of subscribers that you have at all. As long as you make content that people want to watch, people are going to watch your video. So just think about this for a minute. If you create a video that gets up to 1,000 views, or even 2,000 views, or even 10,000 views, and you only get 10 people to sign up for the Strikingly affiliate program, that means you have 100 times $10, which means you have $1,000. It's really that simple. As long as you're going to be offering people value and sharing with them why they need to be using Strikingly as a website builder, because they are looking for methods to make money online. Maybe they want to start a blog, maybe they want to start their affiliate website, maybe they want to start their niche website. Whichever method that they want to use their website for, if you promote Strikingly to them and they see the value in it, they are going to use your affiliate link to sign up. And that means you can make as much as $100 per referral. So the sky is the limit to how much you could make with this, guys. And I hope this technique is something that you might want to consider using, because it's definitely something that is solid and it will work for you. Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you still believe that you might want another video on how to make money online in Kenya, go ahead and check out any of these 2 other videos that are appearing on the screen right now, and you might just get something that works for you. Don't forget to leave us a comment down in the description, down in the comment section, with any questions that you have or any future video ideas that you would like to see on our channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one.